Hello and welcome. My name is Wesley Steverson and I am the Academic Instructional Support Specialist with eCore. In this video we will discuss two new additions to each course's content, the Advanced Organizer and the Unit Checklist. These content items will help students stay on track within their course and be able to keep a record of their assignment completion. Each unit's Advanced Organizer provides students with an introduction to the model, a list of objectives, and a list of tasks that need to be completed. Each item in the task list is linked to its correlating content item. Since the Advanced Organizer is the very first file that students see in each unit, they are more likely to have a better understanding of which assignments are due. Some students use only the content list to access each content item, making it easier to miss important quizzes, discussions, and Dropbox assignments. If a student is not using the quizzes, discussion, and Dropbox pages, the Advanced Organizer will help students who have trouble finding content in a large or confusing content list. Next, we have the unit checklist at the bottom of each unit. In this checklist, students will be able to check off each assignment that they complete. With the new addition of the Advanced Organizer and the checklist, I would like to discuss some current and new procedures for altering, adding, and deleting content. We will discuss how to delete and add the actual unit item, the grade item, and how we can update the Advanced Organizer and checklist to reflect the changes in content. First, we will need to remove the content item from the content list. Navigate to Content. Click the action menu next to your item you would like to delete. Select Delete. Make sure to permanently delete both the topic from content and the associate file or activity from the course option is selected. Otherwise, the content item may still be listed under the quizzes or discussion pages. Click Delete. This will completely remove the content item from the course. To add a new content item to the unit, select the New button to create a new discussion, quiz, Dropbox, or assignment page. If you have an existing quiz, discussion topic, or Dropbox you want to add to the content list, click the Add Existing Activities drop-down and use the menu to navigate to your item. Second, if you have deleted an item in a different manner from before, make sure that all reference links are removed from the content list. To demonstrate how a broken link is created, I will first delete a discussion item. Navigate to Discussions page. Find the discussion you would like to delete and click the action menu next to the discussion's headline. Select Delete. Click Yes. Navigate to Content. Locate the content file that you deleted. In my example, the content item is now listed as Broken Link. Even though we deleted the discussion topic, the reference link still exists. Click the action menu next to the topic heading and choose Delete. Once again, make sure the second option is chosen and click Delete. This will remove the content item from the listing. Third, we will need to remove the grade item. Navigate to Grades. At the top of the page, click the More Actions menu. Click Delete. Find the grade item associated with the deleted content item. Check the checkbox next to the grade item. Note, if a grade item is still associated with a discussion or quiz, you will be unable to select that grade item. Click Delete. On the confirmation pop-up, click Delete. To add a new grade item, click the New drop-down and select Item. Select Numeric. Provide the grade item information and click Save and Close when finished. Fourth, we need to update the Advanced Organizer. At the top of the page, click on the Action menu and choose Edit HTML. Using the editor, delete the link to the content item. If you would like to add an item to the list, create a new bullet point item. Highlight the text and click the link icon. Using the Insert Quick Link menu, navigate to the assignment you would like to link. This will automatically insert the link into your content page. As our final step, we will need to update the unit checklist. Navigate to the unit checklist. To remove an item, click the X next to the item to delete it. If you'd like to add an item to the list, click the Add a New Task to check off each item as you complete it link. Click the title, Add Due Date, and add a description to add more details for the assignment. This video covers the steps you will need to take to delete and add content from your course. To avoid confusion, make sure that each item is up to date and correctly reflects what the students will need to submit for a grade. Although not covered in this video, if you have information in your syllabus that references particular assignments, be sure that that information is correct as well. If you have any questions, please contact the Curriculum and Instruction team at ecoreci@westga.edu or 678-839-5300. Thank you.